Hi guys, so today we're going to be reviewing Ryan Shaw's YouTube ads formula. The link is down below. We've got tons of custom bonuses I'm going to show you in a minute, plus Ryan Shaw's YouTube ads formula, which is an amazing platform to boost your products' revenue and profit by using YouTube's algorithm to manipulate the system to get your ads to the top of YouTube. So what we're going to do is just going to go through quickly. I'm going to show you all the bonuses, and then we're going to jump on over to Ryan Shaw's sales page, and we'll just look through and I'll show you exactly how it's going to benefit you. And we've also got a little informational video that Ryan's made that I'm going to post and I'm going to show for you guys, so you can actually see the inside and you can see what's going on and what you're actually going to fully get when you get into the actual course. Okay guys, so just to warn you, this is not an offer that will be around for long. On the 11th of April, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, this offer will close fully. So you will no longer be able to get this offer down below, which is YouTube ads formula plus these bonuses, which I'm about to go through right now. Okay guys, the first bonus that you're going to get is blogging advice for beginners. Now this is great if you're just starting out in the internet marketing niche and you want to get your feet wet. Starting with blogging is a great tool that you can use to actually produce you real money online. That in correlation with Ryan Shaw's YouTube ads formula is a great mix and a great way to get started for you today. So we're going to run through just some of the benefits you're actually going to get when you get Ryan Shaw's formula plus this blogging bonus down below. So the first one is find out how to get high quality traffic, the highest quality traffic that you've ever seen without spending all your profits. So this is another very important thing that you need to be wary of, is traffic. The good thing about Ryan Shaw's actual formula is it's going to show you how you can get traffic for cents on the dollar in regards to other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and other search engine optimizations like Google or like Bing, Yahoo. So there's tons and tons of different stuff on there that you're going to get, plus the blogging bonus pack. So learn why old traffic strategies don't work anymore and why the new methods are better. That's another key thing. You don't want to get stuck in the past learning old stuff. So you want to make sure you're up to date. Each year things change, algorithms change, people change, everything changes. So discover the secrets of giving Google the big boo and generate traffic without them through other sources like YouTube. So that's the first bonus that you're going to get. Now we're going to go through now into the second bonus that you're also going to get. Right guys, so the second bonus that you're going to get, custom bonus down below, is SEO ranking and traffic tactics. This is great and it ties in amazingly with Ryan Shaw's YouTube formula in terms of how you can get a good ranking on SEO and get to the top of YouTube rankings fast and effectively. So it gives you all the tactics and tricks that you need to learn to actually be able to do that. So as you can see, learn why keeping regular tracking your search engine results is more vitally important than you would think. Discover the secrets of automating your search ranking, tracking with the best tools available. Uncover how you can track your keyword rankings without having to check manually all the time, and find out the secrets of finding out your true position in the SERPs for any keyword. So there's tons and tons of different stuff on there. It's Okay guys, and the fourth and final bonus that you're going to get is the jam-packed content marketing guide. So it's a value of $439 that you're going to get completely for free as a bonus when you buy with the link down below. So in content marketing, of course, you need to learn this. This is great if you're going to do any type of ad. You need to know what to put inside it, what sells, what doesn't, what works, what doesn't. So there's tons and tons of stuff in here that you can actually use to evolve your ads and actually learn content marketing through and through. So discover how using other forms of media in your content marketing plan can directly boost your results. So that's basically using different media sources in your content to actually boost the results of it. So there's tons and tons of different stuff there. Learn the secrets of making more money with less, infusing insider content marketing tips. Find out the 3 key types of content and what each one really means to your overall success. So again, another great one there, and there's tons and tons more in the actual bonuses. So you're going to get all of these, and if we come down, it's an actual value of over $1,100 that you're going to actually get when you buy it through the link below. So we put this together as I believe that Ryan Shaw's YouTube formula is going to make you a lot of money. This is an actual proven method that he's been working on for a long time now, and it really, really does work. And so when you use the link below to get Ryan Shaw's formula, you're also going to get all of these bonuses completely for free on the house from me. So now what we're going to do is we're going to jump over and I'm going to show you some stuff about the YouTube formula. I'm going to run you through a little video from Ryan. It's going to okay guys, so before we jump into the actual video by Ryan showing you the members area and it's showing you exactly what you're going to get, I just wanted to talk to you about how important it actually is for you to be marketing on YouTube today. So as you can see in the orange writing right there is 4,900,000,050 trillion views on YouTube each day. That's each day. So that's how many videos are being watched a day. So think about how much untapped potential there is for you to make money online and on YouTube specifically. So as you can see, YouTube ads have arrived. YouTube is no longer just cat videos. It's matured. It's now a large traditional TV. It will soon surpass TV. It already has actually, and Netflix as well. So there's tons and tons of stuff here. As you can see, over 1.3 billion people currently using YouTube, and it's a #1, and it's expected to double. So you can break into this right now. Whilst ads are still cheap, they're still dirt cheap. If you think about other platforms like YouTube, not YouTube, Facebook, for instance, in the past year, I think they had a 220% increase in their Facebook ads cost. So we all know how expensive Facebook ads now are. YouTube's the future. Facebook's dying out. This is the place to go if you want to make real money and you want to start fresh. So if you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, if you have experience, or if you just don't know anything about YouTube at all, it's the place to start. So now I'm going to show you the video by Ryan showing you exactly inside the members lounge exactly what you're going to get when you actually use the link below to buy the course.
Okay, we're going to do a quick product demo. So now with YouTube ads formula, there's different levels, but your basic formula, the basic main front end course is all about being newbie friendly and helping your customers get the first sale that they probably ever made on the internet. Let's face it, we know that most people have never made any money online, but they're still buying our courses. So I want to help them, walk them through the process of finding an offer, whether it's an affiliate offer on ClickBank or whatever, and them setting up a page, setting up their first YouTube ad, and getting their first sale. So that's what we're trying to do, trying to get as many people as possible to get their first sale. And we have our sales page. Start making $100 a day in the next 30 days with YouTube ads. So I think it's very newbie friendly to use YouTube ads. It's their best chance of getting success right off the bat, of course, because you're running paid traffic. And you can run paid ads at just $1, $2 a day on the AdWords platform, and it's very easy to set up. Now the actual course information here, it's not just for beginners, but it goes from beginner friendly to intermediate to advanced marketers. And some of the stuff that I teach in here is the stuff that I give away to my coaching clients, as well as our agency, where we work with people running auto webinars, e-commerce offers, local businesses, so a little of everything. So our core content will be our 2 hours of training for our YouTube ads formula, the different types of YouTube ads, how to set up an ad, how to create a perfect video ad, and we go over some of the top ads out there, whether it's Ty Lopez, what Billie Jean does, what Alex Becker does, like all the top video ads out there. We have a Rolodex of ads in the course as well. So that's our core training. And then we actually have training on how to find a product to sell. So again, newbie friendly course. And then it goes into more of an advanced training. So 5 reasons why our YouTube ads fail. from each process, whether it's the lead gen process, it's the product creation process, it's the follow-up, it's the more advanced techniques. And then we have training in here from all the top experts online that are running successful YouTube ads, whether it's Justin Sardi, Billie Jean, Ty Lopez, Tom Breeze, Anil Patel, and then more advanced YouTube ads strategies and tactics that I've been using and been teaching. So we have upsells as well, and they range from $49 to $500 for our YouTube Ads Formula Agency Edition. So if they want like a done for you, or they just want a skimmed down light version for just training only, there's different levels, downsells, upsells for that. And finally, we have our YouTube Channel Mastery Program as an OTO. So I will teach your customers how to create a YouTube channel, why they should build one, help them pick a niche, setting up their 100-day challenge, which I work with clients on doing this. So building a list of 100 videos, and each day you produce one video. And then how to master the YouTube algorithm, how to set up a video studio at home or on the go, or vlogging studio that's mobile. That's pretty much it. We have our inner circle for YouTube Ads Formula. So it's a monthly, so more commissions for you guys. And that just about does it. If you want to have a back-end product in here, we do have recommended products. If you want to get your product on the back end, please let me know. And we look forward to seeing everyone here on the launch. And let's see how we can work together further. So we have a lot of products in here that I offer as an affiliate, and love to include yours if it fits the market.
Right guys, so this is just to show you exactly the cost of the actual course and what it's going to cost you to make $10,000 a month selling these services. So to first start out, we've got the YouTube Ads Formula, $12. If you can't afford $12 for an investment like this, then I don't know what you're doing in the internet marketing niche. So you get the YouTube ads training for newbies and experts, get penny leads, set up campaigns, any marketing niche, review top successful video ad campaigns, video ads, reloads, and get 2 to 4x ROI and make $100 a day. And next up is YouTube Ads Agency. So this is going to show you exactly how you can make an agency and make that $10,000 a month selling these services to local businesses in your area. So you're going to get how to set up a YouTube Ads Agency, plus the coaching from Ryan personally. You're getting clients, pricing, scaling your agency to $10,000 to $30,000 a month. There are people currently making $30,000 a month, even more than that, just selling YouTube ads, as it's something no one else is doing at the moment. And third of all is YouTube channel. So $49 is going to show you how to set up your YouTube channel. 100-day strategy. It's just a strategy that he's came up with. So it's basically 100 views a day, and then ways to increase that and get more views on them actual videos. How to produce YouTube videos and build a studio, so that's mobile video setup. How to build a successful YouTube brand, Q&A bonus content, and then the inner circle is only $1, so VIP Facebook group, access to future courses, Q&A and email access. So there's tons and tons of stuff for a very, very cheap price, and plus the bonuses that you're going to get on top of this, so you can learn SEO, content marketing, Google marketing. There's tons and tons of stuff, which is all down below. When you use my link, you're going to get all the bonuses plus the YouTube formula which Ryan has made. So that's exactly what you're going to get. So it's a very small price to pay for the money that you could be potentially making with this formula. So I'm just going to jump on over quickly to the bonus page, show you a little bit more about that and exactly what you're getting, and then we'll end the video there. Okay guys, and finally I'm just going to go through and run through all the bonuses that you're going to get, plus the YouTube ads formula in the link down below. So first bonus, remember, is blogging advice for beginners worth $249. Second, SEO and ranking tactics, $279. Third, Google Display Network hacks, $199. And fourth, your content marketing guide, $399. So that's a combined value of $166 down below in the link. That's extra value when you use the YouTube ads formula. So thank you for today's video, and see ya.